Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Chantal and I will be cooking today a beautiful, nice, comforting potage. It's a nice soup with nice vegetable and this beautiful and tasty turkey broth, which I have another video how to make it after Christmas or any holidays that you would use or cook a turkey. You can use this recipe and I'll show you how to do this turkey broth. And so I will put the link below whatever. And so we're gonna start with what we need to do this recipe. Of course, I've talked about the turkey broth. So I'm gonna put some carrots, some cauliflowers, some celery. I have some little bit old celery, but for potage it's good. You're gonna mix it after, so no worries about that. Potatoes, because the potato always give a softness to the potage. And I have here two leeks, which are getting old a little bit, but all the white part, all this part is good. So just remove the first skin and we will be using this. I will also include inside, because this already has a lot of taste, so we don't need to put much more ingredients. What I like to, of course, salt and pepper and a little thyme and a little bit of maple syrup. It gives a little touch of a softness, and it's not necessarily sweet. You don't feel it sweet, but it's gonna bring all together the potage. So let's start by the first step, which I did my potage yesterday, and now there's a little bit of fat on top, so I'm gonna remove it. So it's gonna be less fat. Let me show you this. Comme ça. So here I'm removing the fat. The more it is cold, the more it is easier to remove it. Now I take it out a couple minutes before, so it's a little bit harder to remove, but still we are going to do that. And voila, let's put this away. So we're gonna put our nice turkey broth inside. Yeah. So here it is, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water because it's really concentrate, and we'll need a little bit water for, let's say, maybe a cup and a half more water. And we're just gonna reheat this one on the stove so it gets warm, and I'm gonna cut the vegetables, put them inside. It's the easiest potage and soup you can make. So as I mentioned, the leeks are not that fresh, but see, you can have this part. It's still good, still fresh, and you can use it, especially in this type of recipe. So I'm just gonna cut them in slice, approximately not even 1 inch. I had some little old celery here. We use them as well. Why should we waste any food? That's what's good. So this celery is good, not too much, because there's already a lot of celery inside the turkey broth. So we don't need to add that much. That's why I did not add any onions as well, because there's already a lot of onions taste in the turkey broth. So let's peel these guys. These two, the carrots, we cut them in slice. It's all gonna go together, and we are gonna wait everything melts before we make the potage, the final touch. I have this tool for many years. As you can see, it's old, but it really works well, and that's the best one I could find. I don't like the other type. Let's rinse these. Well, this big guy. I'm not sure I'm gonna use all. It's gonna depend how much I have. But it's easy. You just start cutting, and you just follow. You don't want to waste anything, so yeah. See, that's very clean and easy, and you don't waste anything. And voila, nice big guy. Make them in piece. So that's it for the cutting of the vegetable. So now we see our nice turkey broth that is boiling. I'm gonna taste to see if I need to add water. If I need to add water, then I can add more vegetables. If not, then I'll use vegetable. Let's taste this. Oh, that's so good. I think I don't need to add anything else. It's already salty, so I think I'm not gonna put salt for now. It's already very salty. So with the vegetables, it's going to, of course, balance the salt. So let's put our, let's do this way. Try not to splash yourself too much. And here we're gonna bring all this cauliflower. So what we are looking for is that the vegetable is all covered with water. So now you see it's jam-packed. It's jam-packed with the water and the vegetable. So that's how I calculate to make my. So I have here some left that I'm not gonna put inside. I will keep them to cook them separately. So now I put all the vegetables, and as you can see, there's no room left. So this is how I calculate that I have enough vegetables with the turkey broth. So there's enough liquid with the vegetables, and we will see later when we mix it that the proportion is good. So what I need to add more for now is a little bit thyme. And as I say, I'm not gonna add any salt because the turkey broth is already salty, so no need for that. Little pepper. And this we're gonna keep it for the end uh, when we're gonna mix it. So we let it boil maybe 30 minutes, simmering and not too much boiling. You know, it has to be not So this is how it's supposed to be cooking. So it's not completely boiling, but it's simmering slowly, and we're gonna wait that the vegetables are softened. Time to check that. We see now. See, this is melt. The carrot usually this is what is the longest to cook. They're quite done. The celery too. I would leave a little bit more. Otherwise, it's not gonna be as smooth as I like it. So yeah, carrot need to be done. Potato done. A little bit celery. Still a bit harsh. Leeks are done. Of course, the first thing that is done is the cauliflower. Sorry for my voice because I have a big cold, so it's gonna be good to eat a soup, I'm telling you. Okay, so let's let it cook for at least another 10 minutes. Now, this is finally completely done. I'm just gonna check little quality control. Yeah, everything is mushy. That's what we want for this type soup. Yeah, everything. Yeah. Then it's gonna be easy to see. I can even do with a knife, but that's perfect. So once the vegetables are completely softened, as you saw before, so I'm going to come with this little machine. There's a blender to come to make it as a puree, to make a potage. So you will see the consistency. This machine is very like a miracle machine. It's very helpful for many things. So you see now how it's, it's covering, so it means, oh, c'est chaud. It's hot. So you see now that it's ready because it's smooth. It has a nice color with the carrots put inside everything. Let me take a new spoon. I'm gonna add my little touch here. Little maple syrup, not too much, but just a little bit. It's gonna um, it's gonna make all the sweetness of all the vegetables come together. It's also gonna cut the salt from the turkey broth, which was very salty. But with the vegetable, everything, this should be good. I will see if I need to put any seasoning. Mm. It doesn't need anything else. It's very good this way. So this is done, guys. As you saw it, the soup is ready. So I put it in a nice plate. This belonged to my mother. It has at least more than 50 years old. Um, so when is the holiday? Today is the 1st January. I did not say it to you, but Happy New Year. So because we are sick in the home, we're gonna eat this nice potage because we're not feeling to eat any heavy food. But we're still gonna put it in nice bowls. So this one, see, look at that. It has a nice color, everything. So I'm gonna use, and this belonged to my mother. So everything that comes from her has a very special place in my heart. Look at that. This is the consistency that we're looking for. So I'm gonna make it for me and my boyfriend. I'm gonna serve with some bread and cheese. That will be our New Year's supper. 2025. Yeah. So voila. Why not put a little garnish on each too? And voila. So this is my potage with turkey broth with lots of vegetables inside. It's gonna be good for our cold, served with bread and maybe a little bit cheese. So that's gonna be our supper. So that's it for this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more and more recipes from traditional to international and with a local product and a little bit of Quebec twist. So hopefully you like what you see and that you will be able to reproduce the same because it's simple, simple, simple and very tasty. So I jump inside to give you a little bit a heads up of the taste. Mm. It's a very good thing I did not add any salt. It has a lot of flavor, a lot of taste, a lot of you feel all the vegetables, the softness of the potatoes and the carrots, the leeks and the cauliflower. So everything is coming to the mouth with a little bit. Not it's not even sweet, but the little taste of the maple syrup and um, yeah, that's delicious, and that's what we're going to eat tonight. So, again, I wish you a happy new year. Wish you health, prosperity, and a lot of joy in your life. So, thank you very much for watching. Bye.